Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota here in beautiful Sarasota, Florida. Just had a gentleman call us on our Healy. Guys, we've been extremely busy. The market has been on fire for the last almost 2 years. I'm going to do a quick walk around of our 1957 D106. Now this car is owned by the dealership. It is a 100-point car. Now he asked me what's a 100-point car. Everything's been touched, motor out, everything done to the highest of industry standards. The paint, the body would be considered show quality. It's got the chrome wires, the stainless exhaust. It is a 4-speed overdrive. So you got your overdrive button. Interior is just stunning. I mean, everything is new. They had the dash out, the heater box out. Beautiful presentation. It comes with the side curtains. I think they're in the, oh, sorry about that. There we go. So there's the tonneau cover. There's the side curtains, as they call them. And in the trunk, comes with the Austin manual, the full-size spare, the jack, and the full-size tonneau with the soft top, excuse me, underneath the bonnet. Fit and finish and gaps are spectacular. There's really no issues with anything. All the original parts were used in the restoration. And I'll tell you, I rarely can do this on many cars, but I think I can do it on this one. So this car starts so well and is so well tuned, I can get in it and I can probably just hit the starter button. There it goes. Whisper quiet. Let's spool it up a little bit for you. And I am a big guy, okay? So I am 6'2", 275, every bit of that. Shoot me in here. I got my legs all the way out. All my gauges work, fuel gauge, tachometer, speedometer. The car has an original 49,000 miles on the car before its restoration. It has 291 miles on its restoration. Water temperature, oil pressure. Horn, obviously, lights work. When you look at the quality of a restoration, the best thing you do is you look down in the door jambs. Look at that. I mean, it's brand new in every way. This will be a car that we would consider a benchmark car. Benchmark meaning I would compare everything else that comes into this car. So no disappointments, well thought out, well executed, and probably one of the best ones. Now we're so proud of this car, guys. This is the car you see when you walk in to this dealership, and then you come through here and you get to see the other cars. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this answers your question, and give us a call, 941-355-1955.